Good morning from Niagara Falls in Canada. It's Denise Kelly, and I just wanted to do a shout out and show you what power is behind me in the falls. I mean, it makes me think how powerful we can be in our businesses, and we need to sort of stay top of mind and take the time out, like I am this weekend at the Canadian Franchise Association, just to sort of reflect on what's new in the market, what's going on, meeting people, what are they doing, and as a consultant, I'm always trying to figure out what the next best thing is so that I can take it to clients. And I'm really proud to be here, and I'm really engaged, and I can't wait to meet lots of new people. My niche spot is really just building relationships and realizing that in order for any kind of business to move forward and meet their numbers that they have, that they really need to look at the relationships they have with their prospects that turn into their leads, that turn into their customers. And so I love that part of it because it's natural for me. I love meeting people, and I love figuring out what connects people to a business and why would someone want to own a franchise, or why would they want to start their own business. So I'm here to learn more, and I'm excited to share that. And from the falls behind me, today is April 2nd, 2017, and it's feeling pretty powerful.